So we're going to go into the workshop and we're just going to have a look at what's going on in there. So we can see, this is Luke. So this here, street triple.
In for annual service MOT. I've done
Right.
service, just having its auto scan now.
So what does the auto scan do? How's that? Just to let anybody know that
It's just checking the health of the vehicle on the inside. Just
Right.
when you're doing the service, just checking the outside components, the oil filter, the tyres, change, stuff like that. Your auto scan's checking the mechanics underneath your electric components, how that's communicating.
how it's all working.
Yeah.
And it's sort of like resetting it, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you can reset it, but this gives us a view of how your ABS module's controlling, if any faults hidden, anything like that.
Right. It's quite warm, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
so
it's
you get a view from the underside. The bit
Yeah.
what you don't see is the surface, isn't it?
So will you go through 2 heat cycles doing that?
Usually you can get three.
3
2
cycles?
to 3, yeah. There's the upset fan coming on.
You can feel the fan coming on now, can't you?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's red hot.
It's red hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cooling there, so that's not, I mean, I can feel the fans in, so it's keeping it
Yeah.
at the right sort of temperature. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. So that's passed, done.
Yeah.
So, Gary, what's this in for?
This is just an annual service and a
Straightforward.
MOT.
Yeah. So it's got quite a big gear on this, hasn't it? It's obviously,
Yeah, quite a few
I reckon this guy does a bit of mileage. Are they using it?
Yeah.
It's good. So straightforward, oil change, auto scan, MOT.
Yeah, auto scan,
Which
obviously.
we were watching before, weren't we? With
Yeah.
Luke, so that's quite straightforward. What do you know what these about?
I don't know, maybe he's using it to strap some.
Maybe he'll use as and for putting him back off his van or trailer.
Oh
or
yeah,
something.
possibly.
Yeah. So ask him when he picks
yeah.
it. Find out, then we know. So is he waiting for this, or are we?
I think he is a waiter. Yeah.
I think we better crack on with it, haven't we?
let's do it,
Yeah. We're here with Steve. This is the valeting bay, and you have a Thunderbird on your ramp. This must be your best friend.
For this sort of bike, yeah.
Yeah. So what's your take on this one? Just how you, because you've been doing this for a bit now, so this is rolling in front of you. It's clearly not that bad, is it?
No, well, I've jet washed it outside on the bits that need jet washing. And then when I come to it, I start from bottom up, usually with wheels, because these wheels get like really pitted in.
Yeah.
Once I've cleaned them up, they start to come up a bit better. Yeah. And I'll just keep going around it until I'm satisfied, really. That
everything's... And you have a high standard, I know, because I look at them sometimes and I think, wow, that's really come up. I mean, this is not a new bike, this, is it? It's quite an old bike. What are we on now? Is it a
15-year-old?
Probably 16-year-old, yeah. You tend to forget, don't you? You think, like, really, someone's looked after that well, actually.
Yeah.
Sometimes you look at a bike and the whole bike looks really good, and you miss that one bolt, say, there.
Yeah.
And your eye just goes straight to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then if you get that one right, the whole thing just goes.
Things that stand out like that, we'll take the bolt out and clean it up. And
put it in, yeah. But when you're on a photograph, that really, it seems to really blend out. And you do the photography for them upstairs, don't you? So,
yeah.
All right, yeah, well, keep it up. Let's get it finished off. Let's get it in the showroom, get it sold. That's the answer, isn't it?
I think somebody's put a deposit
Have
on
they?
it. Yeah.
All right, so they're going to get it better than they thought, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right. Thanks a lot, Steve.
Yeah, no problem.
So this is Carrick's ramp here.
Yeah.
You got a bike on it, you're just doing something with it, haven't you, Danny? What are we doing with this?
This is one of our demo bikes.
Right.
Customers booked to go on it. Just give it a check over before it goes out.
Right.
Tire pressures. Just need to adjust the chain on it.
Make it right.
Once over, make it right, yeah.
Demos have been a bit lean, haven't they, with the salt and that on the road. So starting to come out of the woodwork now. To use them. You want them to have the best experience, don't you? So if tyre pressure's a couple of pound down, that can...
It'll all make a difference.
It all makes a difference, yeah. So you want the guy to go out on it. You don't want any tight spots in your chain, you don't want it slack and clattering about, you want it all right. So when you're going on a demo, it should be like riding a new bike, shouldn't it? Because that's what you're buying, isn't it? This rocket...
Yeah, this rocket's...
Is that sold?
Yeah, sold.
Right.
Just going through the PDI process.
Yeah.
It's very tidy for this. It's only done 8,500 miles.
It is tidy, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very clean.
PDI inspection, oil and filter change has been done. It's had a new front tyre.
You have to just be careful on that.
Yeah, be careful on that with weather, Yeah, so check over.
I like that. It's got a Union Jack in front, isn't it, that?
Oh yeah, it does, yeah. It's very slight.
It's very slight, isn't it?
Good check over. Tyre pressures again, check everything over.
Make sure it's right. Well, we have like a list of stuff that we check, don't we?
Yeah, 60-point check.
I think it's more than that now, but it's just, we always call it that, don't we? It probably is more than that. We work out things, don't we? Things that catch us out.
Yeah.
And then eventually, like years ago, we didn't need to check if battery charging. Then you had a few where they went out, the battery weren't charging, and then
Yeah,
you start checking that. It's obvious check to do, isn't it, really, when you think about it.
charging.
I mean, I'm going back about 20 years here, probably. You know what I
Probably
mean?
will be one.
Yeah, Danny's been here a long time. He's been with us since man and boy, and if you're having anybody checking your bike over, I'd be very happy for you to do it, Danny, I really would. So we've just moved into this one to have a look at it. I pulled it to one side. There's a long story around how we ended up with this, but anyway, it slipped through and it turned out it had a gearbox fault. So it's our problem, we've got to sort it. We've been very sneaky with this, haven't we? And I'm quite,
A little bit, yeah.
I'm quite impressed really, because what we've managed to do here, it's really, Danny's been a major influence in this. But go on, Danny, you explain what we've done.
Usually on something like this, you'd be taking the engine out, it's a full strip down, everything off, then you remove the engine, put it on the engine stand, and you strip it all in part to split the engine cases to actually get to the gearbox. But we kind of worked out that we'd be able to leave the engine in the frame and just remove the lower crankcase off the engine without disturbing anything above it. And it's kind of worked out quite well. So we'll be able to do the job without removing the engine.
We'd looked at this before,
Yeah.
and we thought we didn't really want to do it on a customer's bike
Oh no,
without, you know, this is not really the correct way of doing it.
No, it's-
but
it's not.
But it, you know, it wouldn't show you how to do this in the manual. It's kind of like a shortcut that's,
it was a bit of a shortcut that we could test on our own bike.
yes,
Yeah.
which we've done. And then we can
Yeah.
use the bike after to make sure. I mean, it'll be absolutely fine.
It'll be fine,
yeah. I mean, you can always lay it on its side to just dress the gasket faces up and what have you. There'll be, you know, the bottom crankcase will be clean. It'll go on the new second gear, which is what the problem is.
Yeah,
it'll
second gear.
It'll be installed, and it'll all be ready to go. So that's quite an unusual one.
It's
Just
saved-
something in it.
For us, it's actually saved a lot of time.
Yeah.
And it saved a lot of storage as well. Usually when it's all stripped down, we'd have to store all the panels, the fuel tank.
Yeah, it's just all
It'd
there.
just
isn't
be
it?
a spare frame to push in and out every day.
Yeah. And this is all burnt behind us.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
One thing to another.
We took this in part exchange about 2 years ago, I think, didn't we? We never did nothing with it. And it's obviously been stood, but we've had it running. It runs all right, doesn't it? It runs
It does
well.
run all right,
Yeah,
yeah,
it runs
it's,
well. Yeah. So we'll leave it a clean up.
Sounds very well.
The inside of the tank, we're just going to clean that a bit more, aren't we? Because that were a bit corroded. We've got it a lot better.
Yeah, went a bit misfiring, didn't it?
Then clean carbs.
Yeah, took carbs
Yeah.
off. We've cleaned up carbs out.
Very labour intensive, these old things. So
It now runs really well.
It does run well, doesn't it?
sounds
Yeah.
well, yeah.
I might even have a bit of a ride on that this summer and
I bet you will, yeah.
just we're going to do a bit of a video on that. That might be just.
We'll get some new gaiters, get them on. It's something different.
Just
Something I
something-
don't really work on, and it's
You like having something different, oh,
Yeah,
it's all like,
yeah,
keeps the job interesting, doesn't it?
yeah.
Well, thank you for going through everything with us, Danny. And
Oh, you're all right.
It shares everybody's interest, and I hope you found it interesting just seeing what's going on here in our workshop.